Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Many people are complaining that this notification is appears in their iPhone battery section after update iOS 18 ongoing device setup. Your iPhone completing setups in the background. Battery life and performance may improve once finished guide. Basically this notification informs you that some steps are being done in the background to improve the battery life and some performance of our phone, which may take some time to complete. This notification will disappear after completing these setups. So, if you want to complete it as quickly as possible, for this you have to turn off your iPhone internet connection. Okay, turn off your iPhone internet connection and make sure your iPhone internet connection is good and stable. After that, the battery setup will start in the background, and as soon as it's complete, the notification will disappear from your screens. So guys, I hope you all know what is the purpose of this notification. That's it's like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.